Hello, this is Ken. I like making things. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Every week, I challenge myself to make something fun and creative. Something I am passionate about. I want to use the skills and knowledge I have today to reconnect with my younger self. Watch me explore different ideas and figure out new ways to DIY in an affordable manner. From recreating iconic scenes for my favorite characters, to making dioramas for my figures, to making cool functional gadgets out of everyday material, etc. Help me grow my channel by subscribing, giving this video a like, and commenting down below. That would mean a lot to me, and would encourage me to DIY even more fun stuff. Last week, I made a mini stage for my Vegito Blue figure. I used styrofoam to create the rubbles. Check it out, if you haven't already. Today's video is a little different. I got a request from my brother. He got a Boba Fett Lego figure, and he wanted to gift it to a Star Wars fan. He didn't just want to present it in a plain old box. He wanted it more of a surprise. Something more 3D. This is where I come in. My brother knows I love 3D things and making crafty things. So he asked me to help him design something for his Boba Fett figure. The main obstacle is, we live worlds apart. It would be impossible for me to make something and send it to him. Besides, where's the fun if he doesn't get to make it himself? So, can I make it? Or should I say, can my brother make it? Here's the plan. My brother wants to have Boba Fett stuck in the Sarlacc pit. So first we have to figure out where to place Boba Fett. We need to find a small box of the same size so I can figure out the exact dimensions. Luckily, we both own a pair of AirPods. The AirPods box is perfect. It's small, sturdy, and is square-shaped. There's a little ledge in the box too. This will be useful to enhance the 3D-ness later on. Now let's have a look at the Sarlacc pit. It is an alien with multiple tentacles resting in a pit. Its mouth is exposed, along with the layers of teeth. It uses its tentacles to capture prey. Okay, let me draw this out. I think the key to drawing the Sarlacc is to make it look as gross as possible. Its main features are the multiple rows of sharp teeth. And at the very center, it's the mouth. Alright, here's it printed. Let's cut all the pieces out first. Cut, cut, cut. And cut, cut, cut. I decided to make it 4 layers. Let's start with the bottommost layer. I've made it into the shape of a box, so it can be elevated for the Lego figure. And then I am going to cut out the mouth. Let's see how this fits inside the AirPods box. Nice, so far so good. Now let's cut out the hole for the second layer. I did not add any teeth on this layer. I don't want it to look too scary. Haha. Let's put it over the mouth and see how it looks. It looks great. This is going very well. Now to make it more 3D I am going to put something in between the layers. And a common material my brother and I both have is cardboard. So I am going to attach some in between. I normally use glue to stick things on. But my brother only has double-sided tape, so I'll do the same. It's actually probably easier to just use double-sided tape. It's easy to apply, and no need to wait for it to dry. Now before I stick it on and move on to the next layer, I am going to attach a tentacle first. I've considered using modeling clay, but due to the limitation of material, I've decided to stick with paper, my favorite medium instead. This way my brother doesn't need to use any clay or paint. He just needs to fold, cut, 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 and bend, and stick it on. Time to attach this layer onto the base. Voila! Next layer. It's the same thing, except this layer has teeth this time. Look at this, it already looks so creepy. Haha. Going to add some cardboard pieces. And another tentacle. It looks so good already. There's depth to the pit. It's 3D. Yay. Now for the final layer. More creepy teeth. This layer has a thin border. So I am going to use smaller pieces of cardboard instead. No tentacles this time. Now if my math is correct, this layer should have the same dimensions as the AirPods box. Ta-da! Here's the finished Sarlacc pit. The AirPods box worked out perfectly. The pit looks creepy, and the tentacles worked out well too. There's depth to the pit. I think I captured the essence of the Sarlacc pit quite well. And most importantly, it's 3D. I love 3D things. But before I wrap up, I have to make sure my brother's Boba Fett figure will fit in there. Inside Sarlacc's mouth. I am going to cry if this turns out too small. I must find out. I don't collect any Lego. But I do have this Batman Lego figure. So he'll have to be my test subject. Nom nom. Poor Batman. He's getting eaten by the Sarlacc. Here's the final product. It turned out exactly the way I envisioned it. It's also quite easy to make. Now let me send my brother the schematics and see if he can pull it off too. While we are waiting, maybe you can hit the like button and subscribe button down below. Let me know what you think of this little project. Okay, it's been a day. And here's an update from my brother. He did it. His looks just as great. This is awesome. This was a fun little project for us to do. Turns out, I can make it. So can my brother.